Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to discuss about characteristics of computers. There are a lot of characteristics of computers, but in this lecture, we are going to discuss most important of them, and they are automation, speed, accuracy, diligence, versatility, power of remembering, no IQ, no feelings. First, let's talk about automation. Most of the time, computers do work automatically. Computers are automatic machines because once started a job, they carry on until the job is finished without any human assistance. Now, let's talk about speed. As you know, computer can work very fast. It takes only few seconds for calculations that we take hours to complete. You will be surprised to know that computer can perform millions of instructions and even more per second. Now, let's talk about accuracy. Computers are very accurate. Accuracy of computer is consistently high and the degree of accuracy of a particular computer depends upon its design. Errors can occur in a computer, but these are mainly due to human rather than technological weakness. For example, errors may occur due to imprecise thinking by the programmer or incorrect data input. Now, we are going to talk about diligence. Unlike human beings, computers are highly consistent. They do not suffer from human traits of boredom, tiredness, resulting in lack of concentration. Computers, therefore, are better than human beings in performing voluminous and repetitive jobs. Now, let's talk about its versatility. Computers are versatile machines and are capable of performing any task as long as it can be broken down into a series of logical steps. The presence of computers can be seen in almost every sphere: railway or air reservation, banks, hotels, weather forecasting, and many more. Now, let's talk about its power of remembering. Power of remembering is very special characteristic of the computer. Computer can store many types of information and data in very large quantities. Whenever you need this data in future, you can get the data in few seconds. Let's talk about its IQ. A computer is a dumb machine. Without a user, it is useless. Until a user does not give any instruction, it cannot do any work, and only after completing the instruction, it completes that work very fast. Let's talk about feelings. Computers have no feelings, no instincts, nor does the computer have any knowledge and experience. Computers cannot make judgments on their own. Their judgment is based on the instructions given to them in form of programs. That's all for the day. Thank you.